I'm on this train. It stopped moving though. I went to get on here and then ride it, but it stopped moving though. Man, wait. Let's see if it moves. I'm on this train though. And my foot is starting. I'm gonna take another video to show you. Hold on. It's literally not moving. I don't know if this is illegal or not. This is booty though. I wanted to ride it. It's not moving though. It's not moving. Feels good up here too. And I wish I would have got on it earlier. I seen it and I started like running towards it, walking faster towards it. It's not moving though, but this is boring. This is boring. I'm at the see what I can see. That though, that's hard. This train don't end. I thought I was just right to the end. See what it was? Nope. Nope. Oh shit, look. That shit's hard. Look at that one. My phone's just died of them. What is this? I ain't seen one of these before. What's the in there? Somebody is back there. I don't know what they doing. I fight to work for these people. They tell me no. Everybody tell me no. Oh shit. I ain't never seen one of these before. I don't know what the fuck that is. I record how I got around it. I was gonna go further. I'm gonna just go back to the park. That shit was boring. I wanted to ride the train. Come ride the fucking train. My phone is dying too. I'm sweaty. That shit was ass. Like, as soon as I got to it, it stopped. As soon as I got to the train, what the fuck? As soon as I got to the train, it stopped, so. And my phone dying, so. I'm just ready to go home. I'm just ready to go back to this park. I was gonna go to the park I grew up in. Then I seen the train. And I was like, oh shit, I can ride the train. And just get off when it stopped. It just fucking stopped, so. I don't know what I'm about to do. What I'm about to do. My girl, got some, I don't know, and my phone shit down. Ain't shit to do here. Ain't shit to do here. Ain't shit to do here. It's fucking boring. Today been ass. It's boring, bruh. Like, if I could come outside and find, like, jump on the train and ride till it stops and get off in like a different state, that shit would be hard. That shit would be so hard. But trains come here and they just stop. And then they be like miles long for no reason. Or some stupid shit. Shit really be boring. Bunch of dogs and a whole bunch of people just cutting grass. It's so boring. Listen. Alright, I'm ready to turn this off. Cause my phone is down. Damn, but it's so ass here. Like, it's so ass. There ain't nobody to do, like, the shit I wanna do. It ain't nobody. I'm walking the street and shit. Could see? Or come a bus. Fuck that bus, bro. It's so ass here, bro. So fucking big ass dog right there. I'm gonna keep recording. So if this bitch try to chase me, I'm gonna just dip off on his ass. It's fucking boring though. Like I be trying, and it don't be shit to do. This bitch looking at me. Oh yeah, it's on no lease. Oh yeah. But you just turned around. It's a pit. I ain't even playing up against that bitch ass pit. Where'd he go? Alright, I may get off here, you know. Cause I'm bored. And my phone's dying. And then I was like, cause it don't be shit to do here. Don't be shit to do here. It's fucking boring. Like, ain't shit going on. And I don't mean like fucking lame ass parties. I fucking hate parties. I don't want to go to no fucking party. I like them videos where they be going in caves and shit. I would do that. I would do that. But her, this should be boring as fuck. So fucking boring. Like it ain't no, well, I ain't gonna say it ain't. But where I'm at, I don't get to see no cars, no exotic shit, no fast shit. It be, if a nigga got a car, it's a lame ass Challenger. That's all I see. Or not coming outside. Should be so fucking boring. Like niggas is copy and paste. That should be so lame. I want to get on that train. I want to get on that fucking train. And then I be hating that shit. Like I will show y'all, but I ain't even gonna switch it. Bitch ass niggas just be staring at me walking down the street, talking to my phone. Oh my god, I hate that shit. So annoying. Like I'm pretty sure niggas, I have a whole conversation going. Stop and just stare at me. What the fuck you staring at, bro? Damn, that should be irritating me, especially when it ain't shit to fucking do. Like, damn, that should be so fucking annoying. I'm really irritated. I didn't get to jump on that train, bro. Can you tell? I'm so mad. Like, I thought about running to it and just hopping on it while it was moving. As soon as I get to it, it stopped. I'm gonna stop recording because my phone is right down and I'm bored and I'm upset.